Hi everyone, my name's Erin Fry and I'm going to walk you through my employee engagement program titled Collab. When thinking of employee engagement, I think of collaboration. This led me to title my project as such, which stands for creating value throughout the organization by learning together and leading innovation through alternative workspaces and a better way of collaborating. The goal of Collab would be to create spaces where teams could work together alongside technology like virtual reality, augmented reality in the form of glasses or projectors, interactive whiteboards, and interactive computer screens with apps that contain creativity tasks, innovative problem solving, or simple conversation prompts. Who are we talking about? We're talking about employees from all levels, every team from bottom to top. What do we want to have happen? And with what? We want to inspire teams to use artificial intelligence, virtual reality, augmented reality, and more to break up the monotony and stimulate employees to use talent and problem-solving skills through project collaboration or simply collaborating on fun tasks from the apps. When would teams have to do this? Teams would be required to use these rooms once a month, at least, for a project or meeting of their choice. There could be 3 different options for the room's use. 1, a team could choose to use the space for a team meeting for collaboration on a project of their choosing. 2, teams could choose to meet in the same room at the same time and bring projects that they're working on to discuss together and receive feedback on, or they could choose to use the apps or tasks already loaded into the technology. Or 3, they could sign up to meet with a random team and interact in the same capacity as the second option, but you just don't know who you're going to get. How are we going to do this? We're going to create a setting for team members to collaborate, innovate, and work together to achieve goals which can help create value through disruptive technology and breaking away from the traditional conference room or meetings. Almost lost my laptop there. So my final thoughts on Collab. This project isn't about getting people out of their work mindset. Instead, it's meant to engage them on a level with their team that fulfills a psychological need of belonging. When this need is met, team members may feel that they're connected to the bigger picture and are motivated to work towards common goals together while utilizing skills rather than just following the bullet points on their job description, which in turn can lead to less employee turnover, more efficiency, and potentially more profit if teams are able to come up with problem solving and a sense of unity. Please find my references on my next slide. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you.